Sharda, did you get the point here? Sharda, the point was, it's your choice. Have that clarity.
Actually, what is happening, the career counseling business, is only during the after the exams. After the exams means class 10 and class 12 exams.
Right.
After in between, these days they don't come. At that time, I have a lot of work because they keep on coming. But as the exams are over and they get the suitable, they get the college and all. Then after that, they don't need actually. They don't need, because they have got their career stream, and then again they will come after they go to graduation, then they come back. So in this way, what is happening these months, when there is no admissions and they don't need it actually at this particular time. I'm seeing the trend. So that is the reason.
Also, Sharda, it's totally your call. I just gave you some insights. If you are trying to do, if you have time, if you can create, awesome. Okay, because you are creating one more income stream for yourself. Okay.
Yes.
Because I don't have that picture, right, or from your side, because I thought you are only you want to, because we worked on your website on career counseling. You are struggling with so many things at that point in time, right? So for me, somehow I assume that you have only career counseling thing and you want to do parenting now. So you have all the data points. So you can take a call if you have time and if you want to build something on that. What I would say is, even for career counseling, you can have you created your influence building videos? At least create some 20-30 videos and keep finish that thing before taking on next thing. Whatever you are learning, you can apply for something which is working for you. You can always do a combination of both. Depends how much time and bandwidth you have and what is your need right now. That clarity, you should have that clarity. Why are you doing this? Because you enjoy doing that, because you want to create additional revenue stream, because career counseling, you don't want to position yourself, you don't want to make videos there, you want to make videos on parenting. It's absolutely your call. Only thing I'm saying is, if you are looking at revenue impact, then if you keep on exploring new subjects, you will continue to grow horizontally. Okay. But if you want vertical growth, it has to be only one product.
Okay.